So we're all here with the crew. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. So we're just gonna do a run through, a drive through of the Aquaman 1500 run course. Alright, let's go. Switch natin camera. Okay, let's start. So if to those wondering, don't worry, we're not driving fast. Naka 2x yung speed ng video. So para mas mabilis tayo. It's a mass start for the Aquaman 1000 and then the 500 because it's a run, swim, run. Aqua Kids will do the ordinary swim and run format. And then the knockout swims, of course, pool lang siya. So mass start, just go straight and then you will turn right here. So this is where the fun begins. Don't worry, yung course natin is just a simple anti-ligaw loop. Yan, wala siguro maliligaw dito. And it will have plenty of water stations available. So please take advantage of that. So first U-turn will be for the Aqua Kids 7 to 10 years old. And then the second U-turn will be for the Aquaman 500 and then also for the Aqua Kids 11 to 14 because you will be doing the same run. The only difference here is the run of the 1000, you will do the big loop. Yeah, and so the 500 and then everything else below it will just be a simple out and back. So don't worry, we'll discuss it here. So this is where the U-turn for the 1000 is. You'll just go straight, just a little bit more. And then the course, if you're familiar with Vermosa, it's a pretty rolling course, pero relatively flat naman. Yeah, so after making a U-turn, turn right here. So this is where the special loop just for the Aquaman 1000 begins. So if you're running around Vermosa a lot, this is one of the best run routes in Vermosa. So yan, in-integrate na namin siya as part of the race course. So yun lang, there's still no cut-off time. Just like any other Aquamans natin and then any other SBR events. So please take your time, relax lang, focus on getting ready for the finish, focus on getting ready for the pictures. Yun ang mga importante sa mga participants natin. Of course, syempre, focus on finishing your race because as always, we want to have 100% finishing rate. So after this, you will turn left here and then once you get to this part, yan yung Caltex and everything, alam niyo na, patapos na yung race course. That is, of course, if you're doing the Aqua Kids. But if you're doing the Aquaman 500 and then 1000, you will turn left, back to transition for the swim, and then run number 2, ito yung crucial part. And then you will go straight for the finish after doing the second run. That's it. So that's it, guys. That's the route of the Aquaman Plus 2025. See you guys, registration still ongoing. May nagtatago dun. Si partner Coach Ben, si Jika, race director. We're all here. So we're all ready. See you. Registration is still ongoing. SwimbikeRun.ph. See you next week, November 23. Bye.